Okay, so welcome again to this video. In this video, we're looking at a GMC Canyon truck, and we're looking at the problem with the fuel level sensor. The fuel level sensor, uh, so the fuel gauge doesn't work, so it gives you a code. Uh, that's the code right there, P0463. So it gives you a code P0463. And it says fuel level sensor circuit high voltage. But so now you know we need to change, uh, replace the fuel level sensor. The fuel level sensor in this truck is in a very tricky position. If you can see, this is the driver side of the vehicle. The driver side of the vehicle, and the sensor is actually inside the gas tank. So the best thing to do, in some trucks you have to remove. In some trucks you have to remove the bed of the trunk, uh, to change it. You can see the bed of the trunk has some bolts under there. In some trucks you have to remove the bed of the trunk. You can see the tank is right here, under here, on the driver's side, right here, right here. This is the cover. This is the trunk, right here. But to replace that sensor, you really need to go. It's connected to the fuel filter in this vehicle. So this is just a simple video I'm making here. I'm gonna make another follow-up video when I remove. You have to remove the tire. This tire here on the driver's side. Remove the tire. Remove this cover here. See this cover here. Remove that cover there. The mud guard, the plastic thing. It's just a plastic thing. Being held by bolts, like bolts. You can see the bolts on that plastic thing here, because we need to get to the fuel tank, the top of the fuel tank there, so we can see if we need to remove the whole fuel tank, or we can get access to the fuel tank from the top. So check the next video that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna zoom in. You can see it's right in there. Check the next video I'm gonna make about how we're gonna solve this problem, because if your fuel gauge is not working, you have a check engine light, and that's a big problem. So this is just video number one. Check the next video. I'm gonna connect it to this video, and we're gonna change that fuel level sensor. We're gonna change that sensor on the top of the tank, which goes inside the gas tank to see the level of gas that's in the tank. So let me know what you think. Leave your comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the follow-up video. Okay, have a good day. Bye.